Welcome to our What's New for SOLIDWORKS 2026 series. Let's kick off this year with a look at one key new function, selective loading. Working with large assemblies can be challenging. The only way to have the total context of your design is to open all the parts you don't need in order to work on just the parts you do need. But what if you could start in a lightweight browser application and choose only what you wanted to work on? With selective loading in SOLIDWORKS 2026, you can graphically select only the parts and sub-assemblies you need to work on, completely independent of the underlying CAD structure, and save this selection as a filtered view. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, instead of waiting for every component, mate and reference to load, you can surgically open just the parts you selected and begin designing right away. This reduces open times and allows you to start designing faster with a lean, responsive workflow. It doesn't stop there. If you need to isolate a specific system within your design, you can filter by custom properties, maturity states, or even volumes to quickly zero in on relevant components. These selections can be assigned to a task, ensuring efficient design communication. This targeted approach eliminates the noise and lets you work with precision. Finally, selective loading supports the creation of filters that can represent different variations of your design and can be saved, reused, and even released as part of your design documentation. These filters act as a curated view of your assembly and can be referenced directly by drawings. This means your documentation stays accurate and aligned with the exact representation you intended. With selective loading in SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 connected to the 3D Experience platform, you can accelerate your workflows, create precision filters, and generate design variations with ease. Please join us in our next videos where we take you through a more detailed look at what's new for SOLIDWORKS 2026.